A new old stock relay for a 1948 Plymouth costs about 150 bucks on eBay. I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way how to test out the one you've got and see if it's still good. You're watching Parts and Restoration. All right, no fluff on this one. This video is going to be about 2 minutes long. Here's the relay. You've got your different points on here. All we need to do is put power to this thing and listen for the click. Nothing to it. So here's what we're going to do. I've got a 6-volt battery charger that I bought for $3 at a flea market. I'm going to go ahead and grab my grounding clamp here, and I'm going to attach it to where the ground would go. This is the where the steering wheel horn button would go on this. And then on the other side, I'm just going to attach power to the terminal directly across from it. Well, even if I wasn't sure which one to do it, as long as I know which one is my ground, I can test out which ones would take power to. Nope, not that one. That's a beautiful thing. I knew this was the right one, but in case you weren't sure, you hear that click? That's a magnetic field being created and the contactor being moved to the other side of that relay position. Nothing to it, guys. Simple battery charger, the manual kind. Don't get one of those smart chargers. You could do this with a battery, but this is what I got down and dirty. I know my relay works. Just saved myself 150 bucks, despite this thing being rusty and crusty and questionable to look at. Good to go. Have a great day.